run up to 3500 megabytes per second read and up to 3000 megabytes per second write. Hello everyone, this is a review and unboxing of the Adata XPG SX8200 Pro solid state drive from Adata. Yes, Adata. How does it perform? Stay tuned to find out. Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at the SX8200 Pro. So this is a NVMe M.2 SSD from Adata. So something cool about this is this particular model is the 2TB version. So just think about it, 2TB in a 2280 form factor. How crazy is that? So yeah, how did they do that? By stacking the NAND dies vertically. So this is run by 3D TLC. TLC meaning triple level cells, right? So let's take a look at it inside. So let's cut open the seal. Come on. Okay. So over here you'll find that it is a little underwhelming. It's just a small little pack. So something cool about here, because it's back in my other unboxing video where I unboxed the Spectrix S40G, you can find it up here. Okay, that particular drive had a heatsink that had ARGB effects on it. So this particular one does not have, but it does come separately included with a heatsink that you can put it like that. It's a sticker, it's a trim sticker that you can actually put it like that if you want. But for now, I think I'm not going to put it first, so can show you guys how does it look like. So this is the controller itself. The NAND, the RAM is here, and the dies are here. 4 chips in total. Yeah, it is very small. So yes, this particular model it can run up to 3500 megabytes per second read and up to 3000 megabytes per second write. And in terms of IOPS, it's up to 390K read and up to 380K write, which actually makes it a level above the Spectrix S40G in terms of pure performance. But what you are losing out is there's no RGB, so it's just a flat piece of drive. Yes. So but if you are those kind of person that you need to put this in a laptop, then this drive will be for you. But take note that because this drive is dual sided, so some laptops might not be able to accommodate the increased thickness. We are talking about just 1 to 2 millimeters of extra thickness, but it's best to check with the laptop spec just to be sure. Alright, so this operating temperature, you can survive from 0 to about 70 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty good, pretty robust, and it is rated for up to 2 million hours of MBTF. So that is a lot of hours of continuous writing. So basically they are trying to say that you can read and write this over and over again. Not that you should, but you can keep it for a few years. Alright. So yes, last but not least, it has a shock resistance rating of 1500 G or 0.5 ms. So yes, you can actually drop it on the floor. It's gonna work fine, unlike hard drives. So yes, it also has a SLC cache, a single level cache, which means that why it can reach up to 3500 megabytes, right? So it's because of that cache right there. Because SLC cache is fast, but it cannot keep a lot of data, whereas triple level TLC cache, it can store a lot of data in a small physical space, but it cannot perform as fast. I mean, TLC is not even the latest. Now the latest is QLC, quad level, but they have even more tricks and gimmicks up their sleeve to make sure that the drive does not perform as slow as it would be in a typical worst case scenario. Alright, so that concludes our unboxing and first review of the Adata XPG SX8200 Pro NVMe solid state drive from Adata. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's it for today. See you guys. It's